Hi, Tim Blanchard here with Divorce661.com. This is another episode where I'm going to be talking about why you probably do not want to use the court's self-help center. And this is for any self-help center at any court for the most part. I had a client come in on Friday who had wasted so much time, started his divorce in December of 2017, and I'm just going to relate to you his experience, which I think I'm going to do this more often because half the people that come to us have already started their divorce either on their own or trying to use the court help center, and I just want to explain to you what you're up against. So his first time he went to the court back in December, he said he spent a total of 7 hours at the self-help clinic just waiting to be served, only to be told he had to come back because they can only help 10 to 15 people per day. So they gave him a little notice to come back the next day. He shows up. I guess he gets first in line because he had been there the previous day. And this time he only spends 6 hours sitting down with the self-help clinic going through his paperwork so he could get it filed. So he gets his paperwork filed. He's now spent 7 hours on day one. He spent 6 hours on day two, and all he's accomplished is filing his divorce. He gets his spouse served. He goes back to file the proof of service, 3 more hours at court because they want to review the paperwork before he files it. Once he waits the 30 days, he goes back down to court because he has to do his default paperwork, and he goes down there and he's there for 7 more hours to do the default paperwork. Then he gets a notice from the court a couple weeks later that his default was rejected because the self-help clinic told him to do something that was incorrect. So this is at the juncture where he calls me and says he needs help. Didn't realize there's a service like ours that can assist him. Made an appointment, came in my office on Friday, and in less than an hour I had his entire divorce case completed. And because we're full service, he's never going to have to step foot back in the court. So in my other videos I've said you're going to spend your money or your time. You're either going to pay someone for a professional service like us to take care of it professionally and quickly, or you're going to spend time and lost wages wasting your time down at the courthouses. So I just wanted to share that little tidbit with you. You're going to spend so much time down at the courthouse. It just doesn't make sense. It's not free. You're losing time from not being at work. Plain and simple. Tim Blanchard, Divorce661.com. Hope you're having a great day. We'll talk to you soon.